You can use, you can, hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. In today's video, we're doing a little something different we haven't done in a while. One of these videos was recorded once upon a time on my channel really early on, which was my skincare routine, okay? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my new and improved, my current everyday skincare routine. It's nothing too fancy smanchy. I have combination skin. One day it wants to be oily, one day it wants to be dry. I also think that has a lot to do with what products I'm using, and also I wash my face throughout the day a lot because I am an athlete. I do work out like 2-3 times a day. That is why I have diagnosed myself as having combination skin. It wants to be oily sometimes and it wants to be dry. So I'm going to be showing you guys my current routine. A lot of these products you can find at like drugstores, grocery stores, just anything of that nature. I got some of these from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and you know how they have your good name brand products for on the low. So if you have combination skin, or you're an athlete like myself, or you're just constantly, you know, working out or sweating, these products will definitely help you achieve nice, clear skin. And I know if you're looking at my skin right now, you're like, sis, your skin isn't even that clear. But over the last couple weeks to a month to a couple months, my skin has cleared up a lot. And I want to thank water and these new products I've bought. My face tends to break out on my cheeks because I think what happens a lot is I sleep with my hands on my face at night, or just whenever I'm sleeping. I sleep like a little baby and I sleep with my hands on my face. And I think, you know, just dirt on your hands from the day and so on and so on, I'm creating more problems than none because you don't see any breakouts on my chin or my forehead. But as of now, my skin's looking good. It's looking a lot better. I can show you a little before and after picture if I can find one. But like I said, these products I've been using, they've been really helping clear up my skin and make it a lot smoother than it has been in a while. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I already went ahead for this video and washed my hands, but that is also a good tip before you start washing your face, is washing your hands. Just get off that extra bacteria. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by using this skincare system that was sent to me by a company named Duvolle. This is from the Radiance skincare line. This company has a lot of other like products, like facial products, hair products. This spin brush came with 4 bristles, and one is obviously a body brush. They have an everyday cleansing brush, a pumice stone, and an exfoliating brush. So what I use every day is a cleansing brush. Also, a little side note before I get started, I just want to like fill you in, give you some tea, give you some tips. Like I said, this brush was sent to me by this company named Duvolle. I would highly recommend you trying out their products, or at least just looking at their website, because I've been using this brush for at least a month now. And I can honestly say that this brush is doing a really good job of clearing out my skin and making it feel really smooth. I've been using the exfoliating brush like a couple times a week. I don't like to use it too much because I don't want my exfoliation to lead to dryness. So I don't use that one every day, but I have tried out the body brush too. This system retails now for $90, but I have a coupon code for you guys that will save you 70% off your order, your complete order. So this brush will only be $28 compared to, like, you know, the other more expensive spin brushes. This one's very cheap and reasonable. So I'm gonna start off by using, like I said, the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it with some warm water. And then I'm gonna take my Biore Witch Hazel infused cleanser. This does a really good job at like cleaning your pores. The cleanser does a good job of cleaning your pores, as well as the spin brush. So this is a good combo for my combination skin. So I'm just taking the brush and a circular motion all over my face. I don't know how. So yeah. Don't get too close to your eyes. Also, with this cleanser, it tingles a little bit. I got it in my nose too. The brush is also very easy to clean. All you have to do is detach the two pieces and wipe off all that cleanser and give the brush a little rundown with some water, and she's all clean. That's literally all it is. It's the easiest thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off because my eyes are burning, So I'm now taking a washcloth with hot water and just wiping off all this cleanser. I could have just, rinsed my face under the water, but I feel like taking a rag to my face just gets off all the product so I don't leave anything behind. And I also don't like splashing my face with all that water. I just don't like doing it. Don't touch my hair, 'cause I bought it out the store.
Don't touch my hair.
My face is looking fresh and clean already. So I'm just gonna let this air dry. I don't like to, pat my face or dry it, do whatever. I just let it naturally air dry. So next, I'm gonna be taking my toner. This is a triple action toner, which treats acne before it even emerges. It eliminates oil and shine, refreshes and smooths, which is everything I need in one. I mean, I get it, toner does this regardless, but I got Neutrogena. My face tends to get red too. I don't know if you can tell, but my cheeks tend to get very red throughout the day, especially after exfoliating your face or washing with a spin brush. Sometimes that can really flare up my redness, but I always think toner is a great step because it gets off all that little extra dirt that your cleanser did not get. So I am pro toner, and if you do not have this in your skincare routine, I would highly suggest it. I don't have too much extra dirt for my cotton pad, my cotton ball, whatever you want to call it. I used to use cotton pads, but I was out, so that's why I'm using a nice old cotton ball. And then I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. And like I said, with combination skin, sometimes my skin wants to be oily, sometimes my face wants to be dry. So just to prevent all that, I got oil-free. I was using a different Neutrogena moisturizer for the longest time, and it would always leave my face looking like a butterball. Like halfway through the day, people would be like, damn girl, like you need to go pat your face, because that's how oily I would look. Not even with makeup on, just a clear, nice face, and my face would always look so oily and shiny. So I did a good thing and I switched over to the oil-free moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take a pump of that. I don't wanna use too much. And then I'm just gonna like smooth that in on my face. It just feels so lightweight compared to my other moisturizers that I was using. And you just gotta find yourself a good moisturizer. For the longest time, I actually stopped using moisturizer because I thought that was making my face so freaking shiny. That had a lot to do with it. But at the same time, if you do already have oily skin, putting something that has oil in it and different oils, that's gonna just make your face even oil. It's gonna fuel the fire to the flame. It's gonna fuel the flame to the fire. It's gonna flame the fire with the fuel. You're gonna fuel the flame to the fire. How the fuck do you say it, man? You know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, it just didn't help my situation. So that's why I now use oil-free. So next I'm gonna go ahead and spray on some hydrating mist. I know this step isn't really required, you don't really need to. This kind of just refreshes your face. It hydrates, it smooths, and it protects. So this facial mist does a good job at hydrating your skin as well as soothing it, and gives it just a extra little boost of hydration. That is actually it for my skincare routine, my new updated skincare routine. This is what I do on the daily. I honestly can say I have not had a pimple, a little flare up in a minute. Just loving the way my skin is looking right now, and I think all these products are doing a really good job at helping me do that. If you're interested in this spin brush, please go check it out. I do have a coupon code, which I'll link down in my description box. So please check that out. You'll get 70% off your order. This is an honest review. I use this thing myself on a day-to-day basis. I exfoliate, I use a body scrub, just sis. You're saving coins. You're not gonna be spending as much money as you would on a normal exfoliating spin brush. I said enough. All you gotta do, check the link in the box, use my coupon code, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about my skincare routine, or maybe you've picked up some of these products and you've used them, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear it. So yeah, that is my skincare routine. I hope this was helpful. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.